Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make guacamole for chili con carne. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that little notification bell. Thank you. For this you're going to need 2 avocados, a chilli, some garlic, some shallots, tomato and lime, cheese, sour cream and some salt and pepper. I'm going to start by chopping my shallots and then I'm going to put them into this little mixer. I'm now going to de-seed the tomato and put that in the bowl as well. Next, I'm going to chop and de-seed the chilli. In the bowl as well. Next I'm going to crush the garlic. I'm just going to juice the limes ready for after I've cut the avocado up. Need muscles for this. There we go, and there's the lime. And lastly, I'm going to take the skin off the avocado, take the stone out, chop it and put it in there. I've left it till the end because avocados can discolour and putting the lime juice in will help. I'm just going to slice into it a little bit and then get a spoon and just scoop it out. I'm just going to add a little bit of lime juice to this to start with, just to help break it down. And some salt, pepper, and now I'm going to blitz it. Give it a check, a bit longer. And that's it, that's done. The guacamole is now made and this is how I serve mine. I put it into a big shallow bowl. Spread it around the base of your bowl. And now I'm going to cover this with sour cream. This is a good idea because it actually seals the guacamole under the cream which helps to stop it discolouring. And also, when you put your dips in, you get everything all in one bowl. And lastly, I'm just going to sprinkle it with some cheddar. This is the dish all finished and ready to serve. I'm just going to put a little bit of sriracha sauce on the top because I like it and it'll just make it look a bit pretty. Well, that's it. The guacamole is finished. I'm going to have it as a dip. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to ring that little notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, I made a mess.
That's it, Jackie. I can't resist. I'm getting in. Okay, ready? Ready?
No.
Oh my god.
Getting on my thing.
That's good. Oh, that's nice.
Nice, isn't it?
I didn't eat any
Yeah, sorry,
guacamole.
but I'm going again. That is so nice.
So it's not working.
Oh, oops.
Let's start again.
Cat!